The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean, has long been a place of mystery and fascination. Scientists have only scratched the surface of understanding what lies in its vast, dark depths. Over the years, various expeditions have explored this enigmatic region, revealing bizarre deep-sea creatures, hydrothermal vents, and geological wonders beyond imagination. But now, something alarming has surfaced. An underwater volcano hidden within its depths appears to be awakening. Recent studies indicate that by the end of this year, this undersea volcano could erupt with catastrophic force, unleashing a chain of events that could disrupt marine ecosystems, trigger seismic activity, and potentially impact the global climate. The warning signs are becoming increasingly evident, and experts are racing against time to study and predict what might happen. If an eruption occurs, the consequences could be devastating, affecting not just the underwater world but also human civilization in ways we might not be fully prepared for. At first glance, the surface of our planet appears relatively uniform, with vast oceans, towering mountains, and rolling plains stretching across continents. However, beneath the waves lies a hidden world far more dramatic and complex than we often realize. Just as the land is sculpted by peaks and valleys, the ocean floor is marked by deep trenches, underwater mountain ranges, and active volcanic zones. Among these geological wonders, the Mariana Trench stands as one of the most extraordinary. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, this massive trench is not only the deepest known point on Earth but also a crucial area for scientific research. Spanning over 1,580 miles in length, it acts as a gateway to understanding Earth's geological history, plate tectonics, and the extreme conditions of the deep ocean. At the very bottom of the Mariana Trench lies Challenger Deep, the deepest known point on the planet, plunging an astonishing 36,000 feet, nearly 7 miles, below the ocean's surface. To put this depth into perspective, if Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, were placed at the bottom of Challenger Deep, its peak would still be submerged under more than a mile of water. The pressure at these depths is immense, reaching over 1,000 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level, enough to crush most submarines in an instant. This extreme environment has remained largely unexplored, with only a handful of missions successfully reaching these depths, including those led by legendary oceanographers and explorers like Jacques Piccard, Don Walsh, and filmmaker James Cameron. Despite its seemingly static nature, the Mariana Trench is a hotbed of geological activity. The region is located at a convergent plate boundary, where the Pacific Plate is being forced beneath the smaller Mariana Plate in a process known as subduction. This immense geological force generates intense seismic activity, leading to deep-sea earthquakes, the formation of hydrothermal vents, and, most concerning, the rise of underwater volcanoes. Scientists have long speculated about the presence of volcanic structures in the region, but recent evidence suggests that a significant volcanic event may be imminent. In December 2024, a team of researchers monitoring seismic activity along the Pacific Ring of Fire made a startling discovery. Using advanced seismographic equipment and satellite imaging, they detected unusual activity near a previously unidentified underwater volcano near the Mariana Trench. The data showed an increase in tremors, magma movement, and thermal anomalies, classic indicators that a volcanic eruption could be on the horizon. If their predictions are accurate, this eruption could be one of the most significant deep-sea volcanic events in recorded history. The implications of such an eruption are vast and unpredictable. Unlike terrestrial volcanoes, which produce visible ash clouds and lava flows, underwater volcanic eruptions occur beneath immense pressure, resulting in violent steam explosions, the release of toxic gases, and the creation of massive plumes of superheated water. These eruptions can also trigger underwater landslides and tsunamis, posing a potential threat to coastal communities thousands of miles away. One of the most concerning possibilities is the impact on marine life. Delicate deep-sea ecosystems that have remained undisturbed for millions of years could be wiped out in an instant. One historical example that highlights the destructive power of underwater volcanic eruptions is the 2022 eruption of the Hunga Tonga Harapai volcano in the South Pacific. This event was one of the most explosive eruptions ever recorded, generating a massive shockwave that circled the globe multiple times and producing tsunamis that reached as far as Japan and South America. The eruption also had significant atmospheric effects, injecting vast amounts of water vapor into the stratosphere, which some scientists believe may have contributed to short-term climate changes. If a similar event were to occur in the Mariana Trench, the consequences could be just as severe, if not worse. Among the volcanoes being closely monitored is Axial Seamount, a highly active submarine volcano located off the coast of the Pacific Northwest. Scientists at Oregon State University have been tracking this volcano for years, as it has a history of erupting at regular intervals. Recent data suggests that it is once again entering an active phase, with the likelihood of an eruption increasing significantly in the coming months. If axial seamount erupts, it will provide a rare opportunity for researchers to study an underwater volcanic event in real time, offering valuable insights into the processes that drive these powerful geological phenomena. One of the most exciting advancements in this field is the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to predict volcanic eruptions with greater accuracy. By analyzing vast amounts of seismic data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and warning signs that might be missed by human researchers. This technology has already shown promise in predicting land-based eruptions, and now, efforts are underway to apply it to underwater volcanoes. If successful, it could revolutionize our ability to forecast and prepare for these potentially devastating events. While deep-sea volcanic eruptions often go unnoticed by the general public, their effects can ripple across the planet. The release of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and other gases from underwater eruptions can influence ocean chemistry and climate patterns. Additionally, the formation of new hydrothermal vents can alter local ecosystems, creating both challenges and opportunities for marine life. Understanding these processes is crucial for scientists studying climate change, marine biodiversity, and the overall health of our planet's oceans. As researchers continue to gather data, one pressing question remains: are we truly prepared for the consequences of a major undersea volcanic eruption? While scientific advancements have improved our ability to monitor and predict such events, much remains unknown about the full scope of their impact. Governments, research institutions, and international organizations must work together to enhance our understanding of deep-sea geology and develop strategies for mitigating potential risks. The Mariana Trench, a place of both wonder and danger, holds many secrets yet to be uncovered. As we stand on the precipice of a possible geological event of massive proportions, we must recognize the importance of continued exploration, research, and preparedness. The forces at work beneath the ocean surface are as powerful as they are unpredictable, and only through scientific advancement can we hope to understand and adapt to these ever-changing dynamics. What are your thoughts on this unfolding situation? Do you believe we have the technology and knowledge to predict and respond to an undersea volcanic eruption effectively? Could such an event have unforeseen consequences for life on Earth? Share your opinions in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.